This week in LeTip of Dallas, we are continuing to meet at the original Pancake House in Addison from 11:30 a.m. to 1:01 p.m. Come join us and meet our members and guests. We are only in March, and so far this year we have brought on 3 new members, and our members have made over $76,000, making each chair worth over $3,000. That means that if you were a member of LeTip of Dallas, you're making money. Our speaker this week is Joshua Milam of the Milam Law Firm. Everyone should have a will, and in many cases, you may need a more complicated estate plan. Josh specializes in estate planning, and he can design a plan that will meet your needs. Join us each week at the original Pancake House in Addison. Our networking begins at 11:30 a.m., though many people come earlier. Bring plenty of business cards, have a 10-second introduction about yourself personally, and have a 30-second commercial about your business. Let us show you why we believe in putting dollars in your pocket.